Questions.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
So, how do you maintain faith um, that everything's gonna that you're gonna manifest your desire?
Okay. So this one is one of those tricky things because there's a understanding of faith when it comes to religion. The religions have they have really changed the meanings of words, and we're experiencing that right now with just present day. The things are changing all the time, and they've changed the meanings of words. And it's always been. I've said this word all the time. Nice does not mean what it initially meant, okay, in Old English. So to maintain your faith, understanding what faith is, and not in the Christian sense, understanding that it is belief in the things that are unseen, right? And unseen in the physical, but you've seen it inside of your mind. So you are alive inside of that scene inside of your mind. And that scene inside of your mind, because you understand and know the law, has no choice but to happen. So the first thing that I would recommend in order to help build your faith is to understand what faith is, and then start to experiment in how to have faith with little things. Okay, so this is an experimental phase. You have a whole science project, a whole lab coat, books and whatever that helps you to get to where you want to be. Because this is not a little tiny, no, 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 I'm going to try to do this at 3 o'clock, blah, blah. This is a way of life, okay? You may have a little bug where you say, oh, I saw this thing came about when I really was trying to figure out if this was something and it came about. But, you know, that's it. You get curious. You say, well, it felt weird when I saw this thing happen. How do I make that come about again? And then from there, you start to experiment. Okay. Um, with experimentation, you recognize that you're going to fail. So you don't put high stakes things, you're not putting all your money on this thing. You're going to put that in the back burner. You're going to start thinking about in the back of your mind, yeah, there's this thing that I have goals towards. However, I want to understand what this faith is and what to do to build it. And you start experimenting, you start writing down little things, or you start thinking about things. Something just happened recently where I recognize for me, I don't always do the writing the stuff down. I'm always thinking about something. So my mind thought about twins.